Hi guys, stay tuned as I walk you step by step on how you can add yourself on a TV screen. What I mean to say is just stay tight as I walk you step by step, preset upon preset, how you can add yourself on the TV screen, okay? Yes. Thanks for watching. Mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode, okay? Then after that, you walk in and sit down like you see me seated. Can be saying anything of your choice, right? Then you record that place for some few minutes or some few seconds, all right? Then after that now, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, first thing we are going to be doing now is to locate our Chrome browser, alright? So locate your Chrome browser, then you click it, you click on search, you write green screen TV screen. Green screen TV screen, look at it, I am writing mine, green screen TV screen, don't forget. After writing it, then you come and click on search, alright? Click on search now guys. Then different options of screen will come out. Look at them. Then you click on the one you want, the preferably one you want. Then as you click it and hold it. Click it and hold it. Save in, save image in. Then save in photos. Then after you save it in photos, you close this place. Click on CapCut now. Click on CapCut. Then new project, guys. New project. Import your video to workspace, all right? Import your video to workspace. As you import your video now, you locate the unwanted part of the video. Look at what I am doing. Locate the unwanted part. Before you stand up, no, come back. From this place now, you click on it, then you make a split. Delete this last part. We don't need it again. Then you click on this plus here. Click on that plus. Click on that plus. Click on photos now. Import your screen that you want to use for the video. Click on your screen now and go and look for overlay. If you want this screen, DM me. I'll send it to you, all right? Look for overlay. Click on overlay now, guys. Click on overlay. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video, right? As you drag it now, click on it. Then you drag it to cover the whole video. Make it to align. Then you come back now. Then you click on it now and go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, guys. Chroma key, all right? Then you drag it. You mark on that good now and go back. But if you look, we see that the green has not fully gone out. Look at the edges of the television. The green has not fully gone out. So you click on the green screen television. Then you go and look for adjust, guys. Click on adjust here. HSL, look for it. Click on HSL now. Look at it there. Mark on that green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good. Then you go back. Then look at the result now. Click on that. Then you adjust your image. Adjust it so that it will look blended on that television. Just use your two thumbs, your finger to adjust it. After your necessary adjustments now, this video is now ready, okay? You can now play it to see how it is. So you are playing it now. If there is necessary corrections to make, then you make your necessary corrections. So I'm looking at this one now. There is a correction to make because when you look at the edge, the up, there is still gap there. So you use your hand and cover that gap. You do your necessary adjustment. After that, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, you click on export now. Then you export your video to your gallery. Is exporting. Now, this video have installed in your gallery. Okay. So the video I've installed, you can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend you to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.